Hello again from the exciting 2018 Light+Building. It's day 5 here at the BJB booth, and today we're showcasing automated luminaire manufacturing. BJB is one of the few companies in the world specializing in lighting automation technology, enabling greater efficiency and quality of luminaire production. Everything from assembly, wiring, and testing of luminaires is possible with BJB ADS robots. And what's even more unique is that all the components that you find inside a luminaire are manufactured and optimized by BJB for automated production. So let's take a look at the two systems that we're showing here at the show. The first one is an ADS robot that is for linear and area lighting fixtures. The robot will pick and place an LED board using the SMD push and fix, fixate a linear single row optic, and wire the driver and terminal blocks. Let's take a look. Okay, we jumped over to the second BJB system. This is for spot and downlight applications. The robot is assembling an entire spotlight, everything from the heat sink to the COB to the connector to the reflector are all assembled together by the machine. Let's take a look inside.
Ha 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 ha!